tutorial on how to make delicious chocolate mud cakes. These are super delicious, super easy, and super quick. So before we get on to the video, please make sure to subscribe by clicking that red button down below. Hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload, and give this video a big thumbs up. Without any further ado, here we go. This batter is egg-free, so feel free to lick the spoon. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment down below telling us what your favorite kind of cake is. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!